Hello everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. This one is focused on how to get more Google reviews for your business. Just in case you haven't ever seen it before, we'll go ahead and give you an example. When you go to a business listing inside of Google, you'll see their reviews, and if you click on them, it'll bring up some of their reviews. Okay, let's see how it's done. Okay, if the next thing we do is open up a new browser and put this link, and I'll go ahead and put that in the description below the video, and this link will take you to the page that Google has built so that you can find your place ID as far as Google is concerned. In this case, we'll go ahead and look up the US Post Office just so that we have an example. When we do the search and you'll find your business, you'll then come down here to the place ID, and of course we want to copy that, and then we'll put it in a text file. Okay, here's the example, and we went ahead and put that place ID just so that we have it in our own text file. And if we want to create a link so that we can email it to a potential customer who is ready to write a review, or if we want to text it to them, we can create this link right here. And again, I'll put it in the description below so you don't have to try and copy that all out. But this portion is the same. The only thing you'll change is you'll add your place ID. So this section is what you'll be adding. And we just got that from the previous screen. As a side note, if you want the code to be able to put it inside of your website or another HTML version, you can use this one. And again, we'll put that in the description below. All right, let's go see how it works. If we copy this, and if we take that link and we put it into a browser, and then we hit return, it will actually load the place that we can go ahead and your customer will be able to give you a 5-star review and write something about your business. All right, it'll be that simple for them. It's a great way to build a link so that your customer can go ahead and write a great review about you. Okay, so I hope this helps you to be able to find your Google Place ID and also be able to build a link so that with one click that you either email or text out to your customers, they can write you great reviews. Thanks, and I hope this was helpful. Look in the description below for more helpful information. Come on over to BTFOOM.com and you can become a member, and you'll be able to get bi-weekly videos, new tutorials for the latest things that are going on in the SEO world, like SEOing your website, Google My Business, Google Analytics, Google Business Listings, Google AdWords, pay-per-click, pay-per-view, your Facebook and Facebook advertising, how to work on YouTube, videos for business, social media like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks.